Hey, I'm Brooke, and I wanted to show you guys how great this grill cleaning stone has been working on our grates. So a little bit about this thing before I give you a before and after is that it comes in a block shape, as you had seen, and I'll insert me opening it below. It disintegrates as you use it. Why? It's actually made from crushed glass. So it is recycled crushed glass, and what they use is window glass, so you don't have to worry about the contaminants of other crushed glass products that could get into your foods. This is actually made from clean window glass. As you use it, you're going to just move it back and forth on your grates to clean it, and it shapes into a form that fits perfectly in between your grates. And then you can, as you come across here, I did 3 out of 4 of ours already. When you get to this one, you can see what a difference this has made. So I'm just going to give you a little view at how easy it takes off all of that grime and gunk. Now, we do not regularly clean our grill, so it did take quite a bit of this stone to do the first round with it, but I'll show you all this gunk here. Come on over with me to the sink. Simply rinses off, and then you're back to having a grill stone that is ready to go for the next time. So this thing is wearing down quickly because we really had quite the mess in an entire project. But if I was using it on a usage basis, meaning we use the grill once, we're cleaning it before we put it away, I would say I would get 3 to 4 uses out of one of these stones. So great way to avoid getting the metal bristles in your food. This grill cleaning stone for us is going to be a good way to get it clean.